Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video and in this I'm gonna be showing you how I do my everyday makeup. So to start off, I do have this EOS lip balm already on my lips to keep them moisturized, and now I'm gonna be moisturizing my face with the Clinique Moisture Surge. This is holy grail for me. I have been using it for more than 2 years now, I guess, and I am in love with it. This is super hydrating and water-based. So I'm gonna be applying it to all over my face, and I will blend it in with my skin with my fingers like so. Because this is water-based, this is not heavy at all. This is such a light moisturizer. So I'm gonna let it sit for a minute or two, and then I'm gonna be moving in with my foundation. So my moisturizer has been on my skin for about a minute, and the foundation that I'm gonna be using today is the Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Warm Beige, and I am using Moda brush. It doesn't have a number on it, but this is just a Moda brush, like a little fluffy one that I will use to apply my foundation. And I'm using a pump of this on the back of my hand, put it on my face. This is the best foundation I have used so far, and whenever I use it I get so many compliments on what foundation I'm wearing. So I really like this foundation. And I'm gonna blend it out. I always like to bring the foundation to my neck as well, because you don't want to look different on your face and on your neck. So I bring it down the neck. You can already see how much coverage it gives to my skin without making it look super full coverage, which is what I like. Now I will go in with my e.l.f. sponge and just dab it out so that there are no harsh lines. For concealer, we will be using the new Instant Age Reminder from Maybelline, and I think I am in the shade Neutralizer, and I will use it underneath my eyes, like so, on my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, and a little bit on the side of my lips, and Cupid's bow. And we will blend this out again with the same e.l.f. sponge. So when the concealer is blended in, we will be going in with the Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is the loose finishing powder in the shade light medium, and I will pop some on the top like this, and I will use the same sponge and just put a little bit underneath my eyes and where we put the concealer. And with the rest of the powder, I like to go with the same brush all over my face and neck. Now we will do the brows, and for brows I'm using this e.l.f. pomade, and and this is in the shade medium brown. that's what it looks like. And I am using my brush that I got with the L'Oreal pomade. I really like this brush because this is super convenient with the spoolie on one end and the brush on the other. So we will comb the brows first, then dig in. For cleaning my brows, I will again use the Instant Age Rewinder and the Luxie 246 Precision Crease. And I will take a little bit of the concealer on both sides of the brush. We will use the e.l.f. Wow Brow in the shade Deep Brown to set them in place so that they don't move throughout the day. Now to bronze up the face, we are using this Park Avenue Princess palette. Look at how gorgeous this is. And I will be using my Luxie 512, and I will be using these two shades to contour and bronze. Now we are gonna use this shade for our crease, and I am using the brush Luxie 250 Large Eye Blending, and we are just gonna put it in the crease. Now for blush, we are using this Alamar Cosmetics Colorete Blush Trio. And for this, I will be using the shade Isla, this shade right here. And I will use the BoxyCharm brush. It doesn't have a name or anything like that, but I'm using this for my blush and I think it works really nice. So I'm gonna tap and use a little bit. For highlight, we are using this Artist Couture Summer Haze Diamond Glow Powder. So this is a loose highlighter, and I have some here. And I am using the Moda brush. Again, it doesn't have any number, but this is how it looks like. So I will tap it a little. And I'll go like this. I'm using the same highlighter for my inner corner, but I will be using this brush. Just like that. Now we're almost done. I'm gonna be using this Pixi Skin Treats Makeup Fixing Mist. Shake it up a bit. I like to go in with my e.l.f. Beauty Sponge. Now I'm gonna be curling my lashes with this eyelash curler, and then I'm gonna be applying my mascara. You see the difference? I will go in with this Tarte Big Ego mascara on my eyelashes. This is how the wand looks like. Now to finish off, I am using this Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss. This smells really good. It smells just like cupcakes. And we are ready. So if you like this video, please give it the thumbs up, subscribe, and share my channel. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.